The PowerMate Safety Moving System. A great idea that will save you money, increase profit and upgrade productivity. The PowerMate is one of the most innovative products available today for the safe movement of awkward and heavy loads. For many years, PowerMate equipment has been widely used in the elevator industry worldwide, saving literally millions of pounds. It's used for the movement of motors, armatures, coils of cable, controllers, test weights, toolboxes and drums of oil. PowerMate moves these heavy loads safely to and from elevator workrooms. Some elevator companies have told us that by using PowerMate, they've turned typical 4-hour jobs into 30-minute ones, whilst others have claimed to have paid for their PowerMate equipment in just one move. PowerMate achieves this without damaging or blocking the stairs, using half the labour and in half the time. There are several steel models for heavyweight lifting of loads that weigh up to 1,500 pounds, and aluminium models for lighter loads up to 650 pounds. This versatile equipment safely moves loads up and down stairs, on and off vehicles or loading docks, acting as a tail lift, as well as across flat surfaces. This is how the incredible PowerMate climbs stairs. With the load in a well-balanced position, pull the PowerMate back to the bottom step, then press the button to open the frame to set the wheels onto the second step. Then pivot on the wheels and press the button to raise the toe plate to rest on the first step. Repeat this sequence until the top of the stairs is reached. The bottom rubber guard protects the steps from damage and provides positive grip. To take a load down the stairs, you simply reverse the procedure. The PowerMate is perfectly balanced on 2 points, the wheels and the toe plate. There is no need to hurry, risking back injury, incurring compensation claims and a resulting loss of productivity. The operator has total control of the load, so that both the product being delivered and the customer's premises are protected from damage. The PowerMate elevator package of accessories has been specifically developed and includes a skid plate and a third strap bar. The barrel attachment and extended toe plate are also included in the package. When you need to move a motor, insert the horizontal support brackets and load the motor. Then lay the machine down on the brackets and slide the motor up the frame to insert the load elevator attachment under the motor. This provides ease of handling with the higher centre of gravity. With the LE model, changing the centre of gravity is automatically achieved at the touch of a button. With the well-balanced PowerMate, you can break back the load with ease. By raising the wheels up and changing the leverage point, you can bring the load back in a balanced position over the wheels. The load can easily be moved in this balanced position, there being no weight for the person moving the load to carry. Heavy loads can be safely moved by simple fingertip operation. When moving particularly heavy equipment, 2 experienced operators can safely handle the load from above. PowerMate cuts labour costs in half by reducing over 50% of the effort required. Loads that normally require 4 men to lift can frequently be moved by 2 men, and loads that normally need 2 men can now be safely handled by 1. To put a load into a delivery vehicle using PowerMate, pull the load backwards to the back of the vehicle. Press the button to raise the wheels to rest on the truck, then press the button which brings up the load. Now you can position the load anywhere on the vehicle. For heavy loads, lower the hook bar into the hook box, which is bolted into the bed of the vehicle. This provides for greater safety and ease of handling. For loading a van, a platform is available which stores flush along the inside wall when in transit. Most loading docks are made for articulated vehicles and flatbed trucks. The PowerMate is a loading dock leveller to handle varying bed heights. A hook box can also be installed on the dock to accommodate loading and unloading of very heavy items. The PowerMate is powered by a 12-volt rechargeable battery, which can be deep cycled 250 times, providing many years of productive use. Two swivel casters are located inside the frame of steel models. When the dolly assembly is connected to the hook bar, the PowerMate becomes a four-wheel dolly for effortless movement of loads over long distances. If a doorway has a threshold, raise the wheels up over the threshold, pivot on the wheels and close the frame, which then brings the toe plate over. Mechanical rooms which have a containment lip at the bottom of the doorway can be entered the same way. But if they're too high, put a pallet on either side to create a step. If the ground is uneven, lower the handles of the PowerMate right down, so you can power the toe plate over the terrain. You can travel over mud, snow or gravel in this way. When traveling over carpets, complete the procedure several times to avoid pushing the carpet into a bulge. Another factor exclusive to PowerMate equipment is the ability to maneuver loads around landings. Because the center of gravity can be raised, the balance point is just off the vertical position, allowing for the safe handling of heavy loads in narrow areas. With each PowerMate purchase, operator training is provided by our authorized training personnel, so that operators are competent in its use and in moving their loads. The operators are issued with training certificates at the completion of their courses. Additional training and train the trainer courses are also available. A customer service representative is always available for any additional service information and assistance. This one piece of safety handling equipment is actually 4 machines in one. A powered Stairclimber, a powered mobile tail lift, a loading dock leveler, and a 4-wheel dolly. If you require the PowerMate for just one of these uses, you'll save money. You'll find that moving your loads is safer and easier. You'll want to use your PowerMate for all your heavy lifting work. Enquire now to begin enjoying the many benefits of having a PowerMate. PowerMate is available from Stanley Handling Limited.